Earlier today, OpenAI announced the GPT Store. Now when you open ChatGPT in a browser, you can find the GPT Store by clicking on the Explore GPTs button. But it requires you to use a GPT-4 version to access the store. According to OpenAI, here are over 3 million custom versions of GPTs, and you can discover what's trending in the store. Here also lists some popular categories like DALL-E, writing, research, programming and so on. What's more, OpenAI also mentions that they will highlight useful and impactful GPTs every week, such as designing presentations or social posts with Canva. A lot of users are wondering how to make money from GPTs. The good news is in the new GPT Store, builders can earn based on GPT usage. OpenAI plans to pay US builders based on user engagement with their GPTs, and more details on the criteria for payment will be provided later. So this provides a way for you to make money using ChatGPT. You can create your own GPTs by clicking on the Create button, and then further customize your own GPTs. And you are able to create many GPTs if you like. If your GPTs is cool enough, they could make profits for you in the future. Besides that, they also update a team version with $25 per month. It offers higher message caps on GPT-4 and tools like DALL-E, browsing, and more. There are also many cool AI tools in my channel. One I'd like to share is HitPoor.ai. It contains a powerful AI image upscaler and video enhancer, which supports upscaling all kinds of images to 8K plus resolution, videos to 4K quality, greatly improve the image and video quality. It also combines AI image generation and object remover in one program. Feel free to explore more in the description if you are interested. That's basically the latest updates of the GPT Store. If you find this video useful, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more AI tools and tips. Your support really mean a lot to me. Thanks for watching. See you next time.